Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Wish Week going on, so it's a great opportunity for you guys to get your song here on Gordon Guitar. Normally only one day, Wednesdays. This time, higher chance to leave a comment and for me to read it. I'm gonna read everything and then I pick some of them. And this time I picked you, Alan Walker, who wished for a NEFFEX song called The Friends Inside My Head. So everybody has a friend in their head, and yeah, so this is a cool song, and we can listen to the lyrics there in the beginning of the song. The song is dedicated to his mother, who always loved Nirvana. Who doesn't? All right. And this specific song gives me the vibes of Nirvana's song called Smells Like Teen Spirit, a great song. So it has that same rhythm going on and all that. So anyway, this is a different song, The Friends Inside My Head. Let's take a look at it. So hope you will enjoy this, Alan Walker, and all you NEFFEX fans. So consider subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. That helps me out a lot. So anyway, let's go into it. We have the capo set on the 4th fret. That is the easiest scenario for us, in my opinion. So put that on there and let's go over the chords. So we have G first, and that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have B minor. That's a bar chord where you play the bar on the 2nd fret. You don't have to bar the last E string, but the 5 strings below are necessary. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. And then we have the E minor. And that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And then we have the C. That is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. In between some of these chords here, we have other chords. I will just mention that it's the A and the C, B chord. We'll come to that. It's just a kick on the bass notes pretty much, so we don't have to cover the full chords here. So anyway, we have the chords, the main chords, G, B minor, E minor, and C. And it's just played with plain downs. Very easy from the beginning till the very end in the same way. So we're going to start with G, 2 downs. And then after you play the 2nd down, you can try to mute that. It's a great effect to the song. So you can do that in a way that you just lift off the fingers or lift off the tension and put it on the strings. So you just kill the sound. So what you wanna reach here is to just kill the sound and not let the strings ring out like this. So after the 2nd down, try to do that. And then you shift chord to B minor. Play 2 fast downs. And then we have this A that is in the middle of B minor and E minor. And it's just a transition note when you get the open A string like this. 1 down on it. So B minor, 2 fast downs, then A just after that, and then you go into the E minor chord. So from G it goes, and then next chord, E minor. You're gonna play that in the same way as the G with 2 downs and then muting right after the 2nd down. And that's it for E minor. And then you go to C and play that in the same way as the B minor, 2 fast downs. And then we have the final chord that is in the same way as A, just a transition chord, a kick, and now you have it on the 2nd fret A string. And that note ends 1 round. So that is it. Yeah, you're gonna play G2, then B minor 2 and A note 1, then E minor 2, then C2 and this B note 1. So it goes like this slowly. couple rounds in standard tempo. Yeah, and there you got it, guys. NEFFEX, the friends inside my head. Hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, feel free to subscribe to this channel, support me. Thank you so much, guys, and play tuned.